Brat style means freewheeling. The name makes me feel young and free even as I get older. I opened my first shop in Japan in 1998 when I was 22. And I told myself that when Brat style became successful, I would visit America, where custom motorcycle culture started. After 7 years, I went to Daytona, and for the first time, I saw vintage flat track racing. I was inspired by the old Indians, and I dreamed that one day I would race Indians in America. In 2014, I opened my second store in Long Beach, California. And I bought a 1939 Sports Scout from my friend, customized it and rebuilt it many times. I failed and broke it countless times. Then I met Smokey, an Indian mechanic who passed away in 2019. Smokey taught me how to build old Indians that are fast and can hold together throughout a race. Now I join about 20 races each year. I don't know how many I've won, but it's a lot. I'm living my dream. I appreciate my wife Masumi, the Brat style staff in Japan, and my friends for their help. Motorcycles are part of my life, and always will be. And when I ride, I feel young and free. Nothing really changes, I only get older.